In this video, we will learn how you can automatically extract an email attachment and send it on Gmail. So let's say you run a business and you want every time you receive a business document or an official file on Gmail, the attachment should be sent to your clients or customers on Gmail. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically forward a Gmail attachment, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the Pabbly's landing page here. On the top right, there are two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up for free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Gmail to Gmail. Since that's the application we will be using, we want that if we receive a mail on Gmail, we need to forward the attachment on Gmail to some other client or customer. Okay, so here you can see two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when an order is placed, and action can be send a confirmation message to the customer. In our case, trigger can be when a mail is received on Gmail, send an attachment or forward the attachment via Gmail to another customer or client or your team members. So let us begin. For trigger, we will select email parser. So email parser by Pabbly is an application that helps you to extract the information or the details or the attachments from a mail. Now you can see this has generated an email address. Let us copy this and now go to your mailbox. Okay, so this is my mailbox where I have to paste it. On the top right corner, you will see settings icon. Click there. Now go to see all settings. Now in the center, you will see forwarding and POP IMAP. Click there. Click on add a forwarding address button. Now paste the address that we copied from Pabbly and next. Proceed. Okay, add a confirmation code has been sent to this address to verify permission. Okay, so now let us come back to Pabbly and you will see we have received a response. Scroll down and you will see body text. Demo lead, this has requested to forward mail to your email address here, and here is the confirmation code. So now let us paste this confirmation code and verify. Now click on forward a copy of incoming mail to this address and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. So now what will happen is whatever mails you receive, these will be forwarded to this address so that Pabbly can access it and further forward it. At the same time, the mail's copy will be maintained in your Gmail's inbox as well. So now let us just save changes. Okay, we are good to go. So here you will see, here we will just click on recapture email parser response. Yes, we wish to recapture. Now you will see it is waiting for a response. So just to check if we have successfully integrated Pabbly with Gmail, we will quickly do a test submission. So I'll come to my, okay, this is my account and I have to send a travel brochure to this email address. This is the email address which we have linked with Pabbly. So now I would just send. And you will see its message sent. Now let us come back to Pabbly Connect and see if it is able to capture the response. We'll see it's still waiting for response. And you will see it has captured the response. Here, we'll scroll. You will see subject, travel brochure. So if you scroll down, you will see body text. Here is the text that, hi, please find the travel brochure below. Thanks. It's from ABC. And if you scroll down, it has generated the link of the attachment, the link for the travel brochure. This is the one we'll be using this in the later step. All right, so this means we have successfully connected Pabbly with Gmail. And how did we do this? Remember, we pasted this address in our inbox. So what happened is when we received a mail from Ashi Rai regarding a travel brochure, Pabbly automatically captured the response. All right. Now come back here. And now we will go to our action step. Again, Gmail, because we want to forward this to our client on Gmail. Action event would be send email. Okay, so we'll go with add new connection, connect with Gmail. And here my accounts will come. I have to select. So I'll choose this. Just continue since I was already signed into this account. Authorization successful, it says. So it is connected. Now you will have to give the recipient's email address. So we will just type it. I want to forward this mail to this address. @gmail.com. I want the mail to be forwarded to this address, to be sent to this address. You can fill in these details as per your requirement. I'm going to leave it empty. So now it asks for sender name. So I will simply write XYZ. All right. Email subject, you can map it from here. Okay, subject is here, travel brochure. I want to keep the subject this. Now, email content. Okay, so content, if you wish to write, you can. I'm going to use from here. Okay, so before we use these details, you must be thinking exactly where are we getting this information from. So let me take you to step 1 here. You will see when we integrated Pabbly with Gmail and did a test submission and a test mail. So Pabbly captured all this response. So this is the exact same response, the exact same details that you can see here when we are mapping all this. So let me search the body text. It's, hi, please find the travel brochure below. Thanks, ABC. Okay, we can map this, but the problem here is the name is written here, ABC, and we don't want this to go. So what will we do? We will remove it and scroll up and add a step in between. Okay, for the action, we will select text formatter. Action event would be split text. Connect the two. Text to split would be, again, I want to split this text. Okay. Separator would be, so I want these two to get separated. So I will just use full stop as the separator, as I want to split the text here before and after full stop. Index would be, you can keep it as first or last as you want. I will want both, so I will just take all. Okay, save and send test request. And you will see it has splitted the text. It says, hi, please find the travel brochure below. And the other is, thanks, ABC. So it has splitted the text from here, from the full stop that we used as a separator. All right. Now, again, we'll come to Gmail and reconnect since we added a step in between. Okay. These details we had already given, recipient email address, sender's name, email subject. Now we will map email content from here. So we just want this. Hi, please find the travel brochure below. Okay. Now we will give the attachment. So attachment link, we are going to take it from here. This is the attachment link. Remember, the first step I'll show you. When we received the response, it generated an attachment link for the brochure. So we are going to use exact same link here. the Gmail action step. Now we have mapped in these details, the content, attachment and subject. Okay, so the best part about mapping is these details, the fields that we have mapped in, like the subject or email content, these from next time would automatically be updated. So what happens is when you receive a new Gmail with an attachment, these details, fields, subject, content and attachment box, these will be automatically be updated and you will not have to manually do it or type in. So looks we are good to go. Now let us just save and send test request. Okay, it says response received. So now let us go to this email account, the recipient's email account, that is Parampara Business's email account, and see if it has received our mail with any names like XYZ. Let us do that. Here I am logged in to my Parampara's business account and you will see a mail has been received from XYZ and the travel brochure is here. Hi, please find the travel brochure below. Okay, here you can see the no name is written. So for that, what you can do is here how I left this file name empty and therefore it is showing no name. If you wish to name the file as travel brochure or travel document, you can write that and the same would be reflected here as instead of no name. So this way we have successfully integrated Gmail with Pabbly. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.